Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. Got a really special unboxing. It's that time of year, Halloween time, and I got a lot of compliments on my shirt. This is my Reviews of Moose, me looking like He-Man. I guess it looks pretty good because I had a lot of compliments on it. But anyway, so it's Halloween time, Boston Scally. Got the box in the mail. This is their Halloween version of the new release. Let's go ahead and get it open. And I was pretty impressed with this. It's a flat panel cap, which I'm a big fan of. It came with a couple goodies. So, box is empty now. First things first. This is the first thing it came with. This is one of the goodies. I'm going to figure out how to open it. There it goes. Came with a little, like a grocery bag type. Boston Scally. It's got little zombie hands or coming out of the graveyard on the bottom. It's a pretty cool looking bag. Glad they came through this in there with a freebie. That's one thing we got. Then we got the dust bag for this special cap. It is Halloween oriented. I really like it. Kind of reminds me of Children of Corn type background. That is great artwork there. Again, this is the Scarecrow by Boston Scally. I don't know if anybody ever seen the movie called The Fear with Morty, the wooden puppet. Kind of gives me that vibe there as well. And great soundtrack that as well. A lot of local guys from Detroit are on that soundtrack. Again, that was The Fear. If you get a chance, it's kind of corny now. Wes Craven was in it. But this is the Scarecrow dust cap. Now we're going to get to the good part. And of course, by the time I ordered this, pens were sold out. So I wasn't able to get any of the pens, but no big deal. I did get a large, medium large, and here it is. This is the Scarecrow. Gotta love the stitching there. That's pretty cool. I love the bright orange, kind of like a hunter orange. And of course, you got the artwork on the inside, which is that silk screen. It's not going to stick to your bald head. Of course, you got the medium large. But how about that cap? I'm a big fan of the single panels. And this is going to be right up there with one of my favorites. So, with that being said, I'm going to pause the video, show you a close-up over here, get a little bit better lighting on it. And again, Scarecrow, Boston Scally. I'll be right back. And here is all three of the devices. Of course, you got this bag here. This is a freebie bag. As you can see, the zombie hands come out of the ground. Good little bag. But this artwork on this is just really impressive. Scarecrow, Boston Scally. That is really cool. They did a great job on the artwork. I don't know who does their artwork for them, but they deserve a raise. And here it is. See how the stitching's on there for like Scarecrow stitching? This would always probably work if they ever came out with like a Frankenstein, you know, because they pieced together Frankenstein. But yeah, that is really nice. And of course, you got the artwork on the inside. The bill. Very pretty cap. So that is all three of them together. I'm going to go and pause the video and we're going to try it on. I'll be right back. All right, so we're back. Finally going to go try it on. I'm really excited about this. I only got the one size, so I'm hoping that these fit like the other single panels where I do need the medium large. Ace. Everybody says that, you know, you're my sidekick and everything, but you were doing so good. You were doing so good. Oh, I tell you. But this is the Scarecrow. Let's go ahead and try it on. Oh, yeah. I just poked myself in the eye. Could have done without that. That's going to leave a mark. All right, let's go ahead and put the Scarecrow back on. A little more snug than the last one, so I can stretch it out a little bit if I need to. But yeah, how about that? Great looking cap. Ace, dude. Here, let's just go over here for a second. Just for 1 second. And that is the Scarecrow by Boston Scally. If you like the shirt, you can actually get this shirt on underneath my web store here on YouTube. It comes with a bunch of different colors. I also got some other varieties on there if you want to check that out. But again, Reviews of Moose, Boston Scally, great job. And appreciate you guys tuning in. And again, Again, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day, everybody.